Hey y'all, it's Sheree. What's up? On a scale of 1 to Steve Urkel, how geeky do I look? I'm wearing my glasses for like the first time in about 3 years because my eyes are super red. I'm trying to distract from that fact because truth is my hair is dry. I use flaxseed gel. I'm not sure what your experience has been with flaxseed gel. If you've had negative or positive experiences, definitely let me know down below. But flaxseed gel dry my hair out. My hair was dry, so I need to go in and use my favorite products. I'm not going to be experimenting with nothing. I'm just going to go in with my faves. My faves used to be black owned. They ain't no more. They're the main choice. I'm using several products from them. I just gotta use what works. I just got to. My hair is dry. So I did go in with a pre-poo. I used some random products for my pre-pooing. I threw some things together. You know how I do. Then I went in with one of my favorite shampoos. This is the main choice Exotic Kool-Aid Minty Guava and Kiwi shampoo. This product is usually very moisturizing for me, but I'm gonna admit today I did get a stripping feeling. I was like, oh, you acting unfamiliar. But once I went in with another favorite product, not from the main choice, it's actually from Herbal Essences, but they've discontinued this, so I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do when this is done. And it's my last bottle. I gave a bottle away to my best friend and I regret it every day. But this is the white charcoal replenish conditioner. So good. And after I put that on, my hair feels a lot better. It doesn't feel 100% yet, but that's why we're about to go in with a bomb deep conditioner. And it's from the main choice. It's their Peach Black Tea and Vitamin Fusion Anti-Shedding and Intense Volume Therapy Mask. These names be long, but I used it once before and I really enjoyed it. I think I have about, hopefully I have enough of it. I'm gonna call this right now. This is a staple. This is my second time using it and I love it. It makes my hair feel instantly soft. It doesn't have the best of slip, but I don't really depend on my deep conditioners for slip. I want them to moisturize and soften my hair, and that is exactly what this does. So I'm gonna call it right now. This is a staple. I get 2 uses from it. That's good for me because I apply my deep conditioner onto dry hair. If you apply yours onto wet hair, obviously you will get a lot more uses, but that is fine for me. Alright y'all, it is the next day. Last night I was too tired, so I did sit under my steamer for about 20 minutes and then I let the deep conditioner marinate overnight. I usually don't do overnight deep conditioning like I used to, but again, I was tired. So this is the next day. I've already rinsed out my deep conditioner and I've had my hair air drying for several minutes. I think it's been an hour at this point or more. I don't know. I've lost track of time, but it's been a hot old minute since I've rinsed my hair out. And my hair feels great. That deep conditioner is completely and utterly amazing. Okay? So this is what my hair is looking like. Still got my struggle breakage in the crown, but we're working at it. Boom, 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 boom. I'm going to go in now with some oil. This is the Comet Biologics Castor and Moringa Softening Serum. It's basically just castor oil and moringa seed oil. Moringa is great for hair growth, and so is castor oil. It's great for thickening the hair. And we know we want booty crack length hair. So I'm just gonna go in at my roots and do a little light massage. Now it's time for styling. I'm only gonna use one product because I'm tired of products flaking on me, and when I use this for one product wash and go, I had definition, shine, and moisture. Come back in the frame. Definition, shine, and moisture. So I do want to go in and try it for a twist out. It was an instant staple as a wash and go, so hopefully I'll get similar results as I'm actually going to do a braid out, because also twist outs have been very unloyal lately. So we're going to try something else. It is actually literally black. My sister, my brother, smells amazing. So we're going to try it for a braid out. Won't do that much. See what it do. I know it's weird to see me going in with just a gel, but it really is moisturizing. We're gonna need some more though, because it's coming through, but it ain't coming through as much as I need it to. And there we go. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? That's what we need. Alright y'all, these are the end results. I don't know why as a fine hair natural I decided to do a white background, because this is giving me a little spacey tease, but I assure you my hair looks great in person, and hopefully it looks good on camera to you as well. So this is my perfect type of chunky braid out. It has definition, but it's also big. Like in person, looking at my mirror right here, my hair is out here, but somehow on camera it be looking real small, but in person my hair is huge and it's amazing. So I definitely recommend using the Bold Buttery Gel by itself if you pair it with a moisturizing leave-in, it's gonna be too much. It's gonna be just too much. It is moisturizing on its own. My hair does have a hold to it, but it doesn't feel crunchy. I've never understood people when they said my hair has hold but it's not crunchy. I'm like, those are the same thing. But now with this product by itself on a braid out, I understand what they mean. It does have holds, but there's no crunch. My hair feels good. It really does. It feels good. It looks good. And this is first day hair on freshly washed hair. So I can't wait to see what day 2 looks like, because my day 2 and day 3 hair is always my favorite. Day 1 is always like, but day 2 be a bop. So yeah, what do y'all think? Let me know if you've tried this product. I know a lot of people don't like this product because they think it doesn't have enough hold. This is meant to give you a big fluffy braid out, which is perfect for those of us who don't have super thick hair. Y'all seem to think that my hair is super thick. It's not. I have medium density hair and I have fine strands, so it's easy for my hair to look kind of on the, I guess, thinner side. But yeah, this is my hair. I really will not be stopped, y'all. I really will not be stopped. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna leave now. But yeah, definitely recommend all of these products, from shampoo to styler. Amazing. I used 4 products and I lost a nail in the process. I used 4 products and I was able to get an amazing braid out from start to finish. So I hope you enjoyed this video. A successful wash day, because y'all know I be struggling over here, but it all worked out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. Bye, y'all.